All right, what's up, everybody? I know a lot of you are interested in learning about trading Forex, but I'm sure you're even more interested in knowing about how much money you can make from trading. Well, I have some good news. It's a lot. Honestly, once you've mastered the technicals, you understand the market, you have your emotions in check, the income potential really is limitless. So let's look further into that. All right. So the amount of money you can make from trading is all dependent on your account size. So when you're just starting out, if you're an average person, you probably have at least $1,000 to use as startup capital for your trading account. If not, I'm sure you can save that up in a reasonable amount of time. So with $1,000 account and a trading plan that expects 12.5% gains weekly, you would make 125 per week. And that comes out to $500 a month. So basically you can expect to make around half your account size. And that's being very cautious. You're following the rules and you're not over risking. So let's say you have a $10,000 account. That's 125 per week. I'm sorry, the 125 per week you were making before now becomes 1250 per week. And the $500 you were making now becomes $5,000. So again, this is with very responsible trading. Now you could look at when you get all the way up to a $100,000 account. Now you're making $12,500 per week, and the $5,000 per month becomes $50,000 per month. So I'm sure you can see how this works by now. It's just a percentage of whatever your account is. So pretty much you can make as much as you want and as much as your account size will allow you to make. But one issue here is in the beginning when you're trying to live, you're trying to pay your bills from your trading income. Withdrawing your gains from your account will make your account size smaller. So let's say you made $500 in a month with your $1,000 account. You now have a $1,500 account. And if you traded with that $1,500 account for the next month, you would then make $750 for that month. But if you took the $500 out that you made and you use it for paying bills or whatever you want to use it for, you're back to a $1,000 account. So basically you won't be able to get ahead that way. So I have another option for you. Let's see. So outside of trading your own money, you can also work with what's called a proprietary firm or a prop firm, and they will front you some of their money to trade for them. So if you take a prop firm like this right here, this is FTMO. They will allow you to trade with up to $400,000 of their capital. So there are dozens, maybe even hundreds of these prop firms out there. The best thing about trading with a prop firm is they give you the profits that you made every month. They take their cut. It's usually between 20 to 50% of the profits, just depending on how they have it set up. And then you get to keep the rest. So your account size always stays the same, meaning your profits won't cut into your account size. So working with a prop firm will allow you to live off of your trading skills without having to lower your trading capital from withdrawing your winnings. All right, so let's just look at their process. Basically, you take the challenge and then the verification, and then they bring you on as a trader after that. And they have a bunch of different account size options. You can trade with 10,000, 25,000, 50, all the way up to 200,000. And I actually emailed them to see what the maximum was. They said 400,000 is the maximum. So if you do two $200,000 challenges, you would have the $400,000 account, which is a nice amount of money to be trading with. Let's see. Yeah, so how it works with FTMO at least is you set up your trading challenge with them, you pay their fee up front. I think they do that just to weed out people so they're not just having, I don't know, a gazillion people trying to do this challenge every month. They want to basically test your skills and make sure that you're a worthy trader before they bring you on. Trading is really difficult, so there's not that many good traders that you want to be fronting this amount of money to. So they have to make it this way in order to weed those types of people out so they're not losing money, you know? So for this prop firm, you have to make 100% of the account within a month. And then you'll move on to this second verification stage here, where you have to make 50% of the account within 60 days. And then once you are brought on as a trader, they will refund your fee, your upfront fee, with your whatever you gain that month. So you could trade with a prop firm and with your regular account at the same time and grow them both at the same time. So you have your, let's say you have $1,000 account of your own money. You could also get a $10,000 account with FTMO, trade them both. And that way you're at least making money while you're growing your regular account. And you could get to a point where you don't really need the prop firm. I mean, if you get to like $100,000 account, I don't think you would really need to trade with a prop firm anymore. You could still keep them around anyway, but they are taking 30% of your income. So, I mean, it's better if you just do it for yourself with your own money, so no one's taking any cut from you. But this is a good way to help you out in the beginning, at least. All right, so I hope that gives you some insight on how much Forex traders can make. Of course, these are examples, really good professional level traders. You know, you've been in the game for a couple of years and you really understand what's going on to be able to pull in this amount of money. It took me a little over 4 years, and I think that's pretty typical across the board. Some people get it. Some people get it within 3 years. Some people get it within 8 years. But you can see the income is worth it. No matter, even if it took you 10 years, it would still be worth it. So I would suggest that you start learning immediately. If you haven't checked out the course already, go ahead and go to ccxcollective.com. Go ahead and check out the Profitable Forex Trading course. This will get you on track if you want to learn the skills that you need to be a profitable trader. So go ahead and check that out, ccxcollective.com. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, learning how to trade is definitely worth the time and the effort. Trading Forex can be a great source of income if you do it the right way, you learn how to do it properly. And that's all for today. I will see you guys later.